Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And today we're going to study dividing polynomials by a monomial, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. First, let us recall our past lesson. So find the square of the given binomials. Now, if you still remember our lesson, kung alaala nyo pa, we have this one, no? So in the square of binomials, we square the first term, so that's x squared, minus, because we have negative, and then 4 times x times 2, that is 8x. And then squared the last term, that is positive 16. And then this one, for number 3, we got a square minus 2 axy plus x squared y squared. Next, we have here number 2, x squared plus 3 times x times 2, that is 6x. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. So just square the last term. Then for number 4, we got a squared minus 6 times 8 times 2, that's 12a, plus 36. Negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. All right, let's move on. Okay, so let's have now dividing polynomials. Our objective is to divide, uh, or our objective is to be able to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Okay, let's try this one. We have here 6x squared minus 3 divided by 3x. For step 1, divide each term of the polynomial by a monomial. So do like this. We have 6x squared over 3x minus 3 over 3x. Next. Step number 2. Factor its expression. So from 6x squared divided by 3x minus 3 over 3x, we factored it out. Okay? So 6 x is 2 times 3 times x times x, because we have 2x here. And then 3 times x minus 3 over 3 times x. So that is factorization. Next, we have step number 3, divide out the common factors in its expression. Now, when we say divide out, we can cancel out. So cancel this 3, and then we have x here canceled. Okay. Then, remember the numbers and variables which are crossed out, divide out to 1. Okay. Next, step number 4, let's see. Write in simplified form. So this is our final answer, 2x minus 1 over x. Okay, let's try. Now, we have here um 8x cubed minus 3x divided by 24x. So we can write as this. We have 8x cubed over 24x minus 3x over 24x. Kalimutan si 4. Okay, so for 8 and 24, the LCD is 4, right? Or we can use the 8 itself, no? Because 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Then we subtract the x. So 3 minus 1, that's 2. So 2 na lang dito, okay? So our final answer for that, we have x squared over 3 minus. So here, cancelled na yung x. So 24 divided by 3 is 1 over 8. So this is our final answer. Okay, next. For this one, we can directly answer this out. No? Okay. 12 divided by 2, that's 6. 6. 2 minus 1 is equals to x, or 1 raised to x. Then plus 2x divided by 2x, that's 1. Minus 3 over 2x. Since wala po tayong i-divide, so just copy it out. Get it? Okay, next. Let's try to do this. Okay. So for number 2, okay, number 1, 18 divided by 9 is 2. Okay. For C, we have 9 minus 3, that is 6. Okay, and then just copy D. Okay, so 2C raised to 60. For number 2, um, we have 5 minus 1, that's P4. Then we have Q3. Wala tayong gagawin dito kundi mag-subtract ng exponent. And then, write 4. 4 minus 1, that's P cube. Then Q square, that's Q, plus 11. Okay, Y? Cancelled out na po yung PQ. Okay, so that's the final answer. Now, let's see number 3. Okay, for number 3, 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Sama natin ngayon si x. Okay? Then, 15 divided by 3 is 5. X-yan lang natin konti para kumasya si 5. We have 5. Isama natin si y. Kasi yung 3 wala siyang kasamang variable. Okay, so the answer is 2x minus 5y. Let's see number 4. Okay, so number 4, we write 7. Okay, so we need to write 7. Kasi wala naman to kasama. Then, 2 minus 1, that's 7a minus. So, cancel dito si a, si b na lang natira. So, the final answer is 7a minus b. For number 5, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, just subtract x. So, we have x square. Okay, x square y plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2y. Okay? Kasi 2 minus 1 na natira. Yung x cancel na. Minus 12 divided by 3. 4 is 3. Then, x, y square. Okay, kasi 3 minus 1. Okay, that's it. Let's try again. This one. Paano natin sagutin to? 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? Then 2 minus 1, so we got x. Yung y natin, 3 minus 2, so we have still y. Then ito, 15 divided by 3, that's 5. Okay? Then mawawala na tayo yung variable. And let's plus 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Okay, dito cancel na yung x, 3 minus 1, so y na lang natira. Okay, that's the final answer. Now, let's try to divide the following. Okay, now, we can do this mentally. So, we have 6x squared, syempre x na lang natira, plus 36 divided by 6 is 6. Wala na rin yung x. For 12 divided by 4, that's 3. So, we got 3x. Kasi 2 minus 1, that's 1. Minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, yan na po yung final answer kasi cancelled na rin yung x. Then, we have here 4x5 raised to, okay, so, minus natin, the final answer is x to the third power. 5 minus 2 is, okay, then we have x to the x square, no? 4 minus 2, so x square plus, okay, this would be x over 2. Why? Kasi 2 lang ito eh. That's 2 over 4 or 1 half. Okay? So that's the final answer. Let's for number 4. Um, all right. So we have 6 here. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. So we have x cubed over 2. Yes. Plus 24 divided by x, 6 is 4. X squared plus x over what? Over 2. Okay? 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's the final answer. Now for number 5, this one is easy. You can do it yourself. All right? That's all for today. God, God bless you. See you tomorrow. Love you all. Bye-bye.